Namaskar. Very good morning to one and all present, the dignitaries on the dais, respected director of the Reward Institution, and my most beloved and respected Bharat Rai sir, and the director, former director AIIMS Subsidy sir also from scientist and all this my friends. Not being Devaprakash sir to you also. It's really, I feel immensely joyful. Of course, with Dr. Prasanna, I call Prasanna. Hope he must not be minding. But with love, I don't call Dr. Prasanna. So I just call Prasanna. It's my privilege and my pleasure. I'm not new to this association. I think almost all the members. I have come so many times, starting from years together to this institution. Even if my so much problems and so much responsibilities at Noida, because we have 6,000 students in psychology. In Amity Noida, it is one of the highest students in Asia. So the data says in Google. You must be thinking with becoming, there are 5 professors and assistant professors 35. There are faculties, 62 faculties are there in the department. It is one of the highest departments, crossing from engineering since last year. So our privilege. So I think one thing, the psychology is increasing. Interest in psychology students are increasing. Maybe it is a bliss. Because society, we all know, so much of behavioral problems are happening. My observation also, after guiding 17, 18 students in PhD, highest in Amity University, I see that. Even engineers also done PhD under me. So, I just say, one thing you do, change the thought process, change the feelings, change the attitudes. At least one person in the society, if you can contribute, your PhD is done. You are really qualified for PhD. It's not about holding the degree and not using it. So to use this knowledge, simple knowledge, swamp knowledge of Maripas I have, I think it is an opportunity. I take it immensely, happily, with the blessings of Revered Lord Jagannath Ji. So I think this is possible. Maybe this institution, lot of blessings Lord Jagannath has on this institution. I pray the utmost success of this institution and the revered, the parental members of this institution. With all your blessings, and I think 2-3 minutes I will speak, I will not speak much than that. Only thing, one thing, because student population, I am just seeing that many are there, the student population is there. All the students, the conference is positive life and bliss, Exactly, I am not taking the topic, but it is bliss. Once you say bliss, psychologically it comes, oh, bliss. ये तो बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है, तो बहुत बड़ा शब्द है bliss कौन? Bliss माने कौन? Bliss, how to take it? Psychologists say, I will just dive towards the behavioral scientist research. Psychologists, what they see, bliss. You can search AI, you can search now the technologies are coming. How bliss can be practiced by adopting simple steps. Everybody is not so learned to understand the theories of positive psychology, but it is a concept of positive psychology. When I had designed the syllabus of PhD for positive psychology course in university, Vice Chancellor said, then I was thinking that first to take this Gitaism, all these things I thought. Then Honorable VC से कि मतलब ये सारे भगवत गीता तुमको लगता है कि भगवत गीता कितने परसेंटेज लोग भगवत गीता पढ़ेंगे, कितने परसेंटेज स्टूडेंट हमारे हैं भगवत गीता को जानते हैं? बोले ये मैडम जानते नहीं जाने तो ये हमारे कर्तव्य है ना प्रोफेसर हो के, फिर हम क्या करते हैं? That means we are not delegating our duty. Why this generation? our generation is not inclined towards accepting Bhagavad Gita in their simple practices, but not highlighting so much on bliss and the high-fi concepts, so to say. I think how to practice it, you, me, everybody, it does not require the rocket science to understand or PhD or DLit or anything, only to understand how to day-to-day practice. There are 3 to 4 practices. Finally, I have just given a new meaning to bliss in my own experience as a few experiences in the world of psychology. Or we say be positive, be positive. आप देखते होंगे some people say positive बोलो ना, positive रहो. The people I have observed who says continuously be positive, they are the most negative. Because those who are positive, they show action, they don't say it. They are behaviors, they are humbleness, they are itself presence speaks volumes about it. So I can also say that positivity is not the absence of challenge. Positive होना simple इतना नहीं है जैसा हम सोचते हैं. It's a absence of challenges. If you be positive, simple. If you smile a person, for example, we can practice it day to day. Smile a person. The person might be unknown. I have seen, if I smile a person, the intellectual masses in Delhi and all, in say AIMS and many conferences when we attend, they don't smile. They think, "Ye kaun hai? Mere ko smile kar diye. Why this lady is smiling?" जैसे कि children. Again, when the interaction comes, I say कि ma'am, from which university आप? अच्छा आप मेरे को smile किए थे ma'am, मेरे को पता चला कि आप बहुत amicable हो. Second chance. Then third, the same person comes and while taking food and conferences talks about mom of psychologist. I'm sorry, I didn't respond to you. I think any person, not the educated class, any unknown person, but not that. I don't get it. Everybody, I think we should practice this as research says. Ultimately, it brings inner peace. If we practice behaviorally, it brings inner peace. Slowly, it's not that one day practice. 21 days, as we say, we can practice. Okay, let the person. Generally, we become agitated. Oh, मेरे बारे में इतना चीज बोलता था. She is telling so much against आपके बारे में, मैडम. आप फिर भी उसको पॉजिटिव मानते हो? बोले yes. बोलने दो, कोई बात नहीं. एक दिन वो भी समझ जाएगी. So that happens. I just practice that simply. I don't say even my family members also. I don't do it. I think we have to practice positivity to get bliss. Bliss emerges in a calm mind, practicing continuously positive. ठीक है किसी को negative करने दे. Of course, it is human mind. If somebody is telling some hurting words, some words we are not accepting unexpectedly, I think it hurts. It's a human nature. There's a behavioral reaction. We react in the present mind, as psychologists say. A lot of theories are proved it. Then how to practice bliss? All the students, my dear students, please listen and practice it. Then number 1, I have just written my word. What I consider, I'm not a researcher, a scientist, but I was just thinking what to tell the students on bliss. How do we practice it? Bliss means, first I think, behavior. You, me, everybody, we are conscious of behavior. Which person will like? If I am showing a good behavior to a drunkard, is it suitable? कोई दारू आप रास्ते में जा रहे हो राती रे जाओ तो आई एम सॉरी मैं बोलिया रे किछ मिस्टेक हो मते के डर भी लागुची थोड़ी ना एते वर्ष न केला पे तापरे एमिति लागुची कि रास्ता रे जाउ छे कि गोटे कोन कहि देला हैला किछ गोटे कहि देला खराब लागुची ते रिएक्ट करबा कथा नहीं ठीक अछि ताको तमे थरे को निथर को ठीक अछि इग्नोर कर ये बहुत अच्छा तम माइंड कहीं अनुमान करता आम निजर व्यवहार रखले आम निजे ourselves will be peaceful state. You students can remember more. You students can understand more. You should first try to correct your behavior. Bliss will automatically come. Number two, learning immensely. Padho. Not that only syllabus book I will say. This is the syllabus, this is the course, this only I will say. I should not. So then, learning immensely. Please read. Not that you are doing all Sanskrit universities or Harvard University or Sanskrit literature or Sanskrit is the mother language, the revered language in the world. You should be proud, privileged. Now also, sir, I am thinking to doing some research in psychology yesterday at the postdoc. I think I am proud to a person. My father was president awarded. He was very keen related to Sanskrit. He got Bhagavad Shankar Dayal Sarmaji, 22 books he had written, personalities in my life. I belong to a daughter of that person. So who has taught it by the Vyavahar? Vyavahar. When I complain, he would say, I remember. बाबा ऐसा बिहेवियर करा से मत बोलो मु कहीं तक भलो व्यवहार देखेबी से तो मत मोटे भी भलो देखाउ नहीं ना तू देखियो से मत I think now I am realizing how many psychology theories I am reading the same person with them my father said years together being a learned person. But it is also there, Kantaka and Naivakantaka in Sanskrit, it is also there. But how it is applicable to this? Please see, correct your behaviors. All the professors are speaking, so maybe if I am telling something wrong or thing, please correct it. I am not a Sanskrit scholar like you are. So, learning immensely, padho. Koi bhi book, any language, you like, you read it. Internally desire, have some feeling, yes, today I will behave positively. Have that desire. So that this automatically. It is not a very high. This should be practiced. So many days conference has happened. Then science of using in practice. In practice, using good behavior, this is positive psychology. It's a new stream of psychology. I'm teaching in even PhD student, master students, syllabus also I have designed. And Bhagavad Gita, we have put 3 to 4 lessons of Bhagavad Gita in that syllabus. I have included the syllabus. University. Science of for use in practice, our behavior should be practiced. खाली बोलने से नहीं होगा तुम पॉजिटिव हो जाओ पॉजिटिव हो जाओ अब start from ourselves. So automatically the other person will definitely take the book. One day that person will understand. Sure. Then the last is SS. 2 S are there. BLISS. S is science. 1 S for stands for science for use in practice behavior. And last one, other S is societally useful or beneficial. What I say, continuously learning. Suppose I am a teacher, or I should teach honestly without any hesitation. Helping the student. My job, I'm first a teacher. I never called me and say I'm so well professor. I always say I'm a teacher. I love teaching. So teaching I had objective, I will teach and I will research. One day, when I was a student of Utkal University, 1984 I started my from Utkal University, where I am also a member of Revansa Utkal University for So now everything, whenever I say yes, I am a daughter of this university and this place, is immensely happy. So whenever it is there, if Dr. Prasanna by chance will not forget, of course he will not forget not to invite, but I will definitely ask. I ask when he rings me, the conference come here. Give me some chance to talk to my state and students, my faculties and all the friends. Knowledge किसके लिए? ज्ञान है जो बदल आया वेद when we give it will increase. So this is Greece students. So many learned persons have spoken so much on this theme. I will not speak much, but always forgive others finally, and practice everyday meditation on these simple tricks for 5 minutes. Have some work. You will definitely practice, be positive, and bliss will automatically shower on your life. May Lord Jagannath bless each of you, the institution, to have the Lord name, success, fame, even if in Odisha, this institution one day will definitely lighting up the positivity, bliss in the world. My hope, not only hope, I am positively 100% more than that sure in this institution we will take to the international forum one day with all our cooperation. That is my wish, with all your cooperations. Thanking you for giving and the valuable time and listening me patiently. I just a simple knowledge, not a